our countess, we need to calculate how much money is coming into our theatre. To begin, we create a new tab at the bottom, or a new sheet, which is a plus button here. And we're going to name the sheets that we've got so far. So we're going to double tap on our first sheet name and we're going to call it seating. And we're going to double tap on the new sheet we've made and call it sales. On our new sheet, we're going to give it, in the first cell A1, we're going to say sales. And we're going to click out of that cell and then click back on it and then choose a nice big font. Maybe bigger than that. There we go. Just to really identify what is going on. Then we're going to start a table underneath by first of all giving some table headers. So we're going to have seat types. And then we're going to have cost. And we're going to go quantity. And we're going to have sales. And we're going to have the same seat types as we've had over the page. So if we look back to seating, we can see we've got adult, charge and concession. We could highlight those, use Control-C or Command-C and copy those and then paste them over here, or we could just retype them, up to you. I'm just going to make my headings nice and bold so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to give our adult ticket a cost of, say, £8. So we're going to type 8 in there, and then we're going to type 3 for child, and we're going to type 5 for concession. At the moment, they're not coming up as money. If you select them by clicking in, dragging and highlighting them, and then find the pound symbol or the dollar symbol in the toolbar and click on that, it will convert it to currency. Now, we need to work out how many adult tickets, how many child tickets, and how many concessions that we actually need. However, we just did that a minute ago with the countif over here. It's here, down the bottom. However, it's no good for us typing 15, 11 and 9 ourselves over here, because if someone else books the ticket, that won't change. Let's be lazy programmers and get the computer to just automatically copy it across. To do this, we go in the cell where we want to put the data and we type an equal sign. We then take our mouse down to the bottom to our tab for seating and we click on the number of adult tickets. In my case, it's 50. We finally, before we do anything else, we press enter. It has automatically made us a little formula here, according to the name of our seating tab and the cell that the information was in. We can repeat that process again if we want, or as our adult, child and concession are in the same order as our previous adult, child and concession, we can just use the autofill, the blue blob in the corner, to drag down and bring that data through. To prove that that works, we've currently got 15, 11 and 9. If I book one more adult ticket and one more child ticket and one more concession, you'll see that the numbers have gone to 16, 12 and 10 down here, and on our sales have also gone to 16, 12 and 10, so that works. Now, we know that we've got adult tickets at £8 and we want 16 of them, so we've got to write a multiplication formula to work out how much money is coming in from our adult ticket sales. To do this, we do an equal sign, click on the cost, multiplication sign, which is the asterisk or shift and 8 on your keyboard, and then click on the quantity required. Finally, press enter. That's quite good. We've made £128 from our adult tickets. Now, we can just autofill that formula down for the rest of them without having to type any more. So hover over the blue blob in the corner and highlight down. There we go. Now we know how much money is coming from adult, child and concession tickets. But we'd like to add them all up to work out how much money is coming in from our ticket sales. So let's put a total there. Maybe put that in bold. And then under here, we're going to use a sum formula. Now, if you can't see this sign up here, it's under the dot dot dot. Just click on the dot 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 in the toolbar to bring up the functions. And then choose the functions and then sum, which will add everything up together. It's waiting for us here to tell us what to add up. So we'll just click, hold and drag down to populate that. And then we press enter to finish. So we've made £214 from our sales. How much have you made from yours?